Mind of Christ, 11/6/2020. You have so much of my mind and heart already. Knowing every detail of life and circumstances is not what omniscience and all-knowing is used for. Daily fellowship and obedience moves you forward into all that I have for you. I do not override your mind and belief system to be a robot and be forced into my plans for your life. When you don't believe and make steps in the right direction, what makes you think that all I do is make exceptions to the rule? Walk out who you are and allow my nature to flourish and rule your life in honor and exaltation comes through a track record, not just sonship. You have access, and I have given you all good things unto you and seated you with me. What do you want that I have not provided or given? You have a greater than Solomon in you, living in you. And you want greater than Jesus? What New Age doctrine are you believing? You have all and then some. But this world will keep you striving for something else that you already have. Rest is the key, and not preachers and philosophy. Cut through the BS and the red tape that man builds to access me, the Holy Spirit, your teacher. There is no disconnect with me, and I flow into all things and all areas of your life. Cheap parlor tricks and false hunger and deception will abound. And on the surface, it looks correct. But if the foundation is counterfeit, then the whole structure is based off of mammon and the god of this world, little g. Look not to man's success, wealth, or influence. And since that's not what you seek, you shall have all this. I do not exalt you prematurely or push you along and sacrifice your life on the altar of my will. The path is laid out methodically, and I am wisdom, and you have me, and you seek only Jesus, and these things all get added unto you. That's why the foundation must be deep and wide and long, so that we can build so high and not compromise the structure from the beginning. So keep climbing the mountain, and I will show you the doors that man can't see. And my word is your bedrock to keep you from slipping into an old level or an old way of thinking. Everything I share with you plays an equal part in your wife's life. She feeds on my word and grows into the full stature of Christ. I expect you to recall my words and see that there is no striving or pressure to perform or excel in this life or wealth or business. Enjoy me, and my enjoyment will always be in you as you believe more of my heart to you. Then live out your belief and let my nature conquer the world around you. I want to spoil you and show my children what a well pleased father looks like in